Boy, you were getting ready to leave. I thought, baby, you were done, 'cause for a while you could barely look at me. This time I thought that we'd be fine, that I'd forget the thing that you said. I tried crossing out your words, but baby, you can never forget the past. Can never forget the past, baby. I'm so unbreakable, you don't know what to think. So emotional, wondering if I mean I still love you. See, I don't know what to tell you now. It's always harder. I'm so unbreakable, just like you used to be. So emotional, I can't forget the way you were with me. I don't know what to tell you now. It's always harder the second time around. The second time around. We tried going back to Joe's, that always was a favorite place. Long rides, baby, by the coast. Do you remember where we stayed last time we were hanging out? You were acting kind of strange. Now it's the second time around. I'm starting to smell